Yes, guys, I now believe I'm actually monetized on this channel. Yes, YouTube has paid me for a particular video that, I posted a few days ago about how to, apply for YouTube monetization, right? Now, the video is actually, having 2,200 views, but then YouTube has paid for 1,500 views, okay? The rest will be, updated either today or tomorrow. That is how it is, okay? It takes some time for YouTube to, update the revenue, okay? So I'll be sharing the revenue with you, yes, so that you can also, take some inspiration from it. And now, let me tell you this. If you are not starting your YouTube channel today, or if you are not taking your YouTube serious, I don't know what to, tell you. You understand? Now, I got monetized just 2 days ago, right? And today I am making this video telling you how much YouTube paid me. Which means YouTube is real. YouTube actually pays. You understand? And so you need to start your YouTube today if you are not taking it serious. You get me? Yeah, so I'll be going to my phone to show you the revenue and everything on that particular video. But then if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to this channel and like this video for me. This is the video I am talking about. Yes. All right, so let me click on it. This video is currently having 2,200 views, right? Yes. But then YouTube has paid for only 1,500 views so far. I want to show you a few things about, this video so that you get a better understanding of everything before, I show you the revenue. So relax and watch, okay? Right. The watch hours is 82. Can you imagine 82 watch hours? It is not a joke. And subscribers of 44. This video on watch me apply for YouTube monetization is having 44 subscribers. So if you are one of those people who subscribed to my channel, I want to say a very big thank you to you. And then I want you to drop a comment down there and tell me that you are part of those who subscribe. Okay, so now let me go to the reach of this video. Has shown my video 32.6K, 32,000 times. You understand, which is not easy at all. Yes. And the click-through rate is, 5.6. The click-through rate is low because YouTube was recommending it to a lot of people. So the click-through rate will definitely be low, right? So now to the engagement of the video. Yes, I've talked about the watch hours already. Yes, the audience retention is 2 minutes, 12 seconds out of 5 minutes, 27 seconds, which is not bad at all. I believe this is one of the reasons why YouTube actually recommended the video. The more people watch your video, the more YouTube recommends it. You get me? Okay. Let me go to the audience. This place is very, very important. The top geographies. So this is what determines whether you get money on your videos or not. Okay, so from here you can see that the top 3 countries are African countries, right? Which means that I'm not really going to earn much on this particular video. You get me? Yes. But then let me click on it and see the rest. United States is also part, and the United Kingdom is also part. So I'll get something from there. So that is how it is. Okay. And now to the main reason why you are here, the revenue. Can you imagine how much YouTube paid me for 1,500 views? Let's go. All right. So YouTube has paid me $2.8, $2.08 for a video with 1,500 views. Now let me show you something here. As you can see here, estimated revenue $2.8 and the views is 1.5K. You get me? 1.5K. And advertisers are paying $1.83 for every 1,000 views. Okay, so for me, it is good. Yes, I think it is okay. Yeah, it is good for 1.5K views. Okay, now the video is having 2.2K views. Okay, so it means that tomorrow or the days ahead, it is going to a bit and I'm going to earn more than this, right? And now this is what causes everything. This is how much the advertisers are paid. They are paying $3.55. Okay, so this is how much the advertisers are paying. Yes, so guys, this is the revenue of this video. So After seeing my revenue here, I want to ask you, do you still want to give up on your YouTube channel? Have you stopped posting because you are not seeing results? If you have stopped posting, then this should, motivate you, okay? If you've been watching me for a while now, you know that I got monetized just 2 days ago, right? Just 2 days ago. And today I am telling you how much YouTube has, paid me. Okay, so it means that YouTube will pay you, okay, no matter your views. You get me? If you are about to monetize your YouTube channel, you need to review your channel to see if everything is right. It's okay. Or if you really want to grow on YouTube too, you need to make sure that you are doing the right thing. You need to make sure that your titles, your thumbnails, everything is good, okay? And if you want me to help you on your channel in terms of reviewing it to see if something is wrong or something like that, just click on the link in my description and in the comment section, and then let me help you to, review your channel before you apply for monetization. Thank you very much, and then see you another time.